Sorry, can you repeat your question?
Trước hết thì rất là cảm ơn là họ có những cái bài trình bày hết sức là thú vị ở trong cái việc mà ứng dụng cái AI trong chăm sóc sức khỏe. Như chưa nghe được, không biết nghe được chưa? Nghe rõ chưa? Không biết có nghe được chưa? Can you hear?
Okay, please repeat again.
Okay,
Sorry.
Okay. Trước hết là rất là cảm ơn là các diễn giả đã có cái phần trình bày hết sức là thú vị, và tôi rất là cảm thấy là rất là ấn tượng và cảm ơn các cái bài trình bày này. Thì riêng về trong cái lĩnh vực mà về chăm sóc sức khỏe đó, khi mà chúng ta huấn luyện các cái AI đó, thì các cái mình sử dụng những cái platform nào, tức là những cái platform nào để mà mình huấn luyện các cái hệ thống AI của mình, hay là cái đó là tự mình phát triển, tức là cái AI đó là một cái platform nào đó chúng ta sử dụng, hay là tự chúng ta phát triển cái hệ thống AI đó, thì đó là câu hỏi tôi muốn đưa.
Okay, cảm ơn. We are actually working together with the university, academic, and also with hospitals, doctors. Yes, because as a company ourselves, also we just work with them for the commercialized product. And through the process, they work with the academic from school because they have more resources from the governments. So actually, all this our AI product is actually get the government's support 8 years ago. Yeah, so starting with the hospital and then university and also Huide Health Tech.
So my question is a little bit different. My question is about the you have to train.
Yes.
You use data to train.
Yes.
But what type of AI you are using? Because, for example, there are ChatGPT. There are some open sources, but there are also some commercial AI platform.
Yes.
So, are you develop your AI platform by yourself, or you use commercial AI platform? So that's my question.
Yes, we actually self-develop our own AI platform. Yeah, it's new. It's not open source. It's not through ChatGPT. Yeah. So actually, Dr. Lin also know a lot. So he's also, yeah.
Yes, we invited a computing expert to write a software, and we collect the data, and even from different hospital, we initiate the program. Maybe initially in one hospital, and we set up the model, and we have adequate precision and accuracy. And later on, we will go for federated learning through maybe more than 3 hospitals, and to further train the model and make sure the accuracy. And later on, we will go forward to apply for the indication, and maybe we'll do a randomized control trial to confirm this model. Yes. Please.
Okay, thank you very much for your presentation. I have 2 questions, you see. The first question concerning with the data security, information security. You see, you have presented that all of the hospital branch have transferred the data to the central. And then, how about the security of the patient information? You see, you are at the center, you will be responsible for it, or the hospital, the branch hospital to be responsible for it, and how you can control the security of the information when you transfer like this. And the second also concerning with the information security, that is when you connect with the other country, you know, for the transfer of the patient information, how about the security during that process? And the last question is, I have listened to your AI application in Taiwanese hospital. You have a lot of components, you see, and you have a lot of application which is very interesting to us. But you spend a lot of time until now, I know it. And then how or what kind of the lesson learned you can transfer to us for Vietnamese hospital that we start at the beginning to escape all of the problems that you have faced. Thank you.
Okay, patients' privacy is very important, especially when we treating patients' data. So in my own hospital, when we prefer to do the AI model, we will use a decoding data. So the analyzer did not know the name and the background data for each patient. We only know the number code, number 1, 2, 3, 4, but no patient's information. When we do the federated learning, all the hospital should provide the same form data, but it's also decoding. So we know the data from which hospital, but we don't know the data's patient's information. So that's very important for we secure the patient's privacy. That's very important. And can you share your experience of lesson learned you from?
Okay. I think, and thanks to Dr. Lin, he already expressed a lot. So what I should share with the owner from the doctor in the hospital, he's also saying that from our smartphone, iPhone, they also use the federated machine learning and the skills. You know, this insight. So that's why even I share for the AKI or ARDS AI. So, but you don't have to worry. As Dr. Lin mentioned, we don't know the patient's personalized data. We just know parameters. We just know data. Then it come out with the result. So every time it refer, we don't have any records. Yeah. So that records actually live with the doctors. So every time you refer, you just download. You know. And I think when I would like to share about the lesson learned. It's because whether it's been like 13 years, it's been a long time. We're focusing on critical care and also like Taipei Fire Department, because in Taiwan, the service ambulances is actually owned by fire departments. So we've been working with them more than 10 years also. So how we transcend all the Taipei citizens, you know, city citizens, vital sign to the EMR, to all the Taipei city hospitals. We learned a lot about, like, one thing is the cybersecurity. We learned this very early. So, and also the other thing, we need to work very closely with the doctor, because our AI does not, you know, replace the doctors. So the key thing is the doctors, you know, the idea and the thoughts, their professional knowledge is the most important. So we provide the AI, not just our IT people's, you know, idea. It's actually very highly cooperated with the doctors. That's what I would like to share. Thank you.
Okay, any question from the stage? Hey, please.
Vâng, em xin chào các diễn giả. Em xin hỏi riêng cho anh Jason Nguyễn, thì anh có các giải pháp AI về cái camera. Thì em muốn hỏi là nếu như mình có cần phải kết hợp gắn các sensor vào người bệnh nhân khi mà mình theo dõi trong phòng bệnh nhân.
Dạ. Rồi, em xin phép trả lời câu hỏi của anh. Thì trên con camera AI của Aver thì đã tích hợp sẵn những cái tính năng để theo dõi người bệnh, cho nên là mình sẽ không cần gắn sensor vào người của bệnh nhân, mà trên camera nó sẽ focus vào cái khuôn mặt để nó nhận diện được cái cử chỉ của cái khuôn mặt nó đang biểu hiện như thế nào. Giống như là bệnh nhân đang khó thở hoặc là bệnh nhân đang té ngã mà khuôn mặt có cái biểu hiện thay đổi thì nó sẽ tự động nó cảnh báo cho bác sĩ.
Em muốn có câu hỏi nữa là nếu mà bệnh nhân ấy có những cái hành vi như kiểu bất thường ấy, ví dụ là họ bị lú lẫn, họ đi lang thang ấy, thì AI của mình có cơ chế học những cái hành vi như thế không ạ?
Hiện tại á, thì là camera của mình là lắp trong phòng ICU. Thì cái phòng nó cũng là nhỏ, và khi mà bệnh nhân đi ra khỏi giường và đi qua đi lại hoặc là có biểu hiện mà vấp ngã đó, còn nếu như mà không có nằm trên giường bệnh thì mình có thể lập trình để camera phát hiện là bệnh nhân rời khỏi giường quá lâu để cảnh báo luôn cho điều dưỡng. Dạ.
Excuse me, can I add one more point to Mr. Chuang Chou? Yeah, I would like to add one more comments about what you about lesson learned. I think the very important is how we screen the data. Okay, because garbage in, garbage out. So that's why it takes 8 hours. And you can see like millions, of the data. So that's one key thing we would like to share. Yeah, so that's why it takes time to verify it. And also actually for this case, like 4 hospitals outside of Taichung Veterans General Hospital to validate, including Kaohsiung Medical University Hospital. And in Taiwan right now, if we want to get a QMS or TFDA, we need to not only just internal hospital, they require 3 other outside hospitals to do the verification. Yeah. Thank you, Gaman.
Yes, it's very time consuming and need professional manpower to mark the lesion, and we need more data. So you can see in our presentation, maybe we need more than 3,000 cases and maybe the equal number of a control group. So it's very time consuming and manpower needed. So any question from the floor? And for the CEO, Mr. Deng, in your topic, you were mentioned about marine medicine, but I don't find any information. Can you share some us with the marine medicine in your title?
Thank you. Okay. So marine medicine is some different area between because some hospital didn't care the marine medicine in the global. So I want to focus on this area because some some people equality in the global is marine medicine is hard to diagnose because the signal in the global communication is hard to connect together. So we will use the satellite to connect many medical device or video communication or telephone. Some area didn't have satellite. Maybe in the Pacific, in the Middle Pacific, there's no signal. Maybe because the satellite is some areas no satellite in the global. So marine medicine is very important because some cruiser in the ship have some walking hurt and maybe some heart disease. We will have to check it. And because some ship in the pathway is far away the hospital. So how to give them the right direction? A ship will turn to the port or go straight another port is very important. So we will construct the decision maker how to help the emergency doctor how to help them to the right decision and call the helicopter to take a patient away or ship to turn to port. It's very important for the cargo company. So it's my experience. Yeah.
Thank you. Any question from the floor? And let me ask the last question for CEO Jennifer. In your slide, one slide show the important issue of explainable artificial intelligence. Because we all know that maybe AI is a black box. We don't know how the AI can tell us the result and give the prediction. So in your slide, in the right-hand side, you show how your model will predict the AKI. So can you share some experience, because it's very important for a physician to be convinced the ability of AI?
Because you can see that because when we come up with the result, there are also were shown about like 21 parameters. So for all the parameters you typing or keying or integrated with the hospitals, when it comes out with the result, you can see the correlations. Because the correlations help the doctor to see the priority of that, how it's correlated to the treatments that you are going to revise to the patients. So that's why we explain it as explainable, AI. Yeah, it's not just like you don't know what's going on, And like, for example, like AKI, we can predict like after 24 hours. So once you have that treatment, if you can see the priority of the correlation, then you will know which one will go to the first priority. Yeah.
Yes, thank you. That's very important in clinical practice. So, please, the last question.
Thank you for your great presentations. So I'm from the Ho Chi Minh City, the Children's Hospital, IT department. Yep. So I asked you about the data source for the AI. This we had a plan to implement the AI project for next year. So I consider about the data source for the AI. We should use the data OLTP or the data warehouse. Yes. About the question 2, second question. So your experience, based on your experiences, the first step and so important step for the AI project. Thank you.
Okay. So, can you repeat your question?
The first question is about the data source for the AIs. We should use the OLTP AI, online transaction data for AI, or data warehouse for AI. Yes. You clear? Okay. Tôi muốn hỏi là okay, sorry. I will using Vietnamese. Tôi muốn hỏi là chúng tôi đang có một cái chúng tôi dự định triển khai một cái dự án về AI. Chúng tôi đang thắc mắc về câu chuyện sử dụng cái data source cho AI. Chúng tôi nên sử dụng là OLTP data hay là chúng tôi dùng data warehouse? Okay.
You mean the format of the data, right?
Yes, that's right. So about the data provided for the AI, you know?
Yes. Usually, when we train the AI model, we will use the same format of data. So, if possible, we will transfer a different format to the same format, and then we will put the data into the model to train. So, maybe I don't understand the format that you mentioned, but principally we will use the same format of data to the model. We don't use the different format of data to train the model.
Yes, that means about the data source. We must do the integrate the data to the data warehouse. After that, the data warehouse provide to the AI data.
Yes.
That's right.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. And when we use the AI model in the clinical practice, we will need the same format of data to put into the model, and then we can see the prediction.
Yes. Okay. That means the data warehouse is the better practice. That means the data warehouse is the better solution for the AI data.
So are you saying that the data warehouse you have in the hospital is the source for the AI, right?
Yes, that's right.
Yes, it is. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So we don't really collect, as Dr. Lim mentioned, that we actually the data we started to put into the AI engine. We don't really source from the other AI.
Yeah.
You know, it's just the original data. So it will be clean, and it will be like not, like people, like how to say that, processing. No, not before processing. Because for medical, everything has to be original.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Yeah, so that's
Yeah.
why Taichung Veterans General Hospital chose us to do that AI for the critical care.
Yeah.
Because we have the experience to collect that from the protocol,
Yeah.
from the medical devices.
Yeah.
So everything is like the real, original data.
Okay, okay.
Did I answer your question?
Yes.
Okay, cảm
Yes.
ơn.
Okay. Câu hỏi thứ hai. Câu hỏi thứ hai là với cái kinh nghiệm triển khai AI cho các bệnh viện của các bạn đó, thì với các bạn thì bước nào là quan trọng nhất cho một cái dự án về AI mà chúng tôi cần phải chuẩn bị?
Okay, let me answer the question. So I think the most important thing is clinical needed.
Yes.
Yes, that's very important.
Yeah.
So all the AI model is from the clinical needed from the physician.
Yeah.
So I think it's the first step, and the second, we need enough data source. So if you don't, if you only have a limited data, it's very difficult to train an AI model.
Yeah.
So the data number is very important. You should need disease data and the control data, and the volume should be high enough.
Yeah.
So I think it's the second important issue. And the third is we need a computing science expert to write the software.
Yeah.
And the training and the tuning the model to give a better accuracy and the prediction power. And I think this is the third. And the fourth, maybe we need to federated learning to ensure whether this model can fit in different hospital. And then later on, maybe we also need a randomized control trial if needed. And then we will confirm the application of this model. That's my point of view.
Yes, because for our AKI prediction software, we are also going through the RCT right now, randomized control test right now, because we are awarded by the governments, they want to incorporate into the national health insurance.
Yes.
So we are doing that, and the National Taiwan University is doing the test for us for the result analysis.
Okay.
Yeah, thank
Yes.
you.
Okay, thank you for your sharing. Yes. Okay.
Okay, thank you. If no more question, I will close this section. Thank you all of your attendance to this wonderful session, artificial intelligence, healthcare in the future. I think all of you with me will learn a lot from this morning's session, and I hope we can use this artificial intelligence model to care our patient and give high quality of care. Thank you for your participation. Thank you a lot.
Thank you very much, our speakers. And ladies and gentlemen, now we will take a lunch break for 1 hour, and we will resume here in this one room at 1:30 p.m. And we will continue other presentation about new trends, about more AI application in medical. Thank you very much, and enjoy your lunch. See you in 1 hour.